In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Calendar dark mode if you're a fan of darker themes, which can be easier on the eyes and help save battery life on devices with OLED screens. You're in the right place. Let's get started with this simple, straightforward process. First, go ahead and open your Google Calendar. You can do this either by typing Google Calendar into your browser's search bar or by accessing it directly from your Google Apps menu if you're already signed in. Once you're there, you'll notice a familiar layout with the current month displayed prominently. Have a look at the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll spot the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click on this gear icon to reveal a drop-down menu of options. It's here where you'll customize the appearance of your Google Calendar. From the drop-down list, carefully select the option labeled Appearance. This step is crucial as it's where you will make changes to how your calendar is visually styled. Now, within the appearance settings, let's look for the theme options. You're going to want to select Dark. This option will apply the dark mode theme to your Google Calendar, instantly giving it a sleek, modern look. Activating dark mode isn't just about style, it also reduces glare and blue light exposure, which can be particularly helpful during nighttime use or in low light environments. Once you've selected the dark theme, your calendar will immediately switch over to the darker color scheme. You'll notice that the background, headers, and other elements have adopted this new theme, which enhances readability and adds a touch of sophistication to your online scheduling activities. Remember, you can always revert to the light theme if you need to by revisiting the appearance settings and selecting the light option. This flexibility allows you to tailor your experience according to your preferences or specific eye comfort needs at any time. And that's it! You've successfully enabled dark mode on Google Calendar. This small adjustment can make a significant difference in daily usage, especially if you're someone who spends a lot of time managing events and reminders on your calendar. Enjoy the new look and feel of your customized view, and don't forget that these settings can be changed back and forth whenever you find it necessary. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to apply the same process to your other Google applications that support dark mode for a more unified and visually pleasing experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy using your Google Calendar with its new dark makeover.